The burp. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let's open this Dr. Pepper up. I haven't filmed a mukbang in so long. Cheers. I'm too hungry to sit in a nice little background for you guys, but I just made some spaghetti. Vegetarian spaghetti with the fake meat, but not bad when you cook it all together. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys know how to cook spaghetti or if you just can't cook it, because I've tried other people's spaghetti, even from restaurants when a manager bought some for us. People just can't cook good spaghetti, and it's so simple. I want to make a video one day on how to make it for you guys. My mom taught me, and it's just so good. Put some garlic bread, some of the good stuff, and some sauce. It's so good. Let me see more of my hair. Some like garlic bread in the frame. So good, guys. I can't believe a whole year just passed. It's gonna be 2020, a new decade. How crazy. So hungry, just kind of want to eat. It's the most craziest snow this year, guys. So much power outage. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna talk to you, do a little catch up, but I won't eat too because I'm so hungry. Is it good, Mason? You agree? I feel like such an adult, guys. I know how to make spaghetti now. I can cook eggs, rice, noodle, kind of stir-fry vegetable. We've learned. Just bacon, you know. Just buy the pre-made cookies like I bought. Why bake them when you can buy them? It just doesn't work, you know. You follow the directions. It just doesn't happen. Yum. Hi, Macy. So good. I have like so much reading to do, guys, in the new year. So much. Got magical books I want to read. I got fun books I want to read. Just all the books. I can't even taste Dr. Pepper. Well, yeah, I just got a lot of stuff to do. New year, pretty crazy. Hopefully I can create lots of new magic, inspire you guys, and just a little disclaimer too. I don't mind helping and guiding people because it's part of my mission. More of it's just to bring magic back. I'll teach people the ways. But when you message me, I don't mind sharing stuff with you, but I can't be holding your hand every step of the way. I made so many videos on how to do the most basic of basic things that a lot of people have questions to. So you gotta go on my YouTube channel. I did the effort and made playlists for you. So you click on the playlist called Your Magical Corner, and all those videos are listed to help you with X amount of things you need to do. And another one is called Spiritual Learning, with other people's videos that I made to help me out. Or videos that have helped me out that I didn't make myself. So I added it to a playlist public to share with you guys to help benefit you. So take the effort, click on my YouTube channel. Go to the playlist, all the information is there. And if there's any other question that is simple that I can help you with, I do not mind helping you. But just a little disclaimer, because I had some people that I've been helping and I'm like, all the steps made for you. It's so good, guys. But other than that, I'm just so excited for the new year, create some new magic. And all that good stuff. Hopefully film more fun videos too, because
Yum. Thanks for making the spaghetti, Eric.
You're welcome. This is so good. I just love creating magical videos, but I do want to create some fun stuff too. Real good, Mason?
Very.
Oh, spaghetti's so yummy. Amazing. You can have another piece if you want. I'm gonna eat this garlic bread before it gets cold.
Yay. Thanks.
I cook Mason, my brother, another piece of garlic bread, like 2 pieces. I guess I'm gonna have to eat it. It's so good. Amazing. It's so good. We'll turn to a mukbang channel now. I'm gonna talk more, guys, but honestly, I'm just hungry, so I'm just gonna record myself eat like a real mukbanger. Spaghetti's so good. I think I need a little soda break. Thank you. My mom's giving me thumbs up. I can cook spaghetti now. I'm just gonna learn how to make more food. It's so good. I hope you guys have an awesome new year. I'm so excited to see what new magic the year brings. And by that phrase, I mean the divine, what God's gonna bless me with. So good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mukbang with me. Sorry I didn't talk too much, I'm just really hungry. Don't care to entertain, but just wanted to do a little YouTube video too, because I haven't vlogged in so long. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications down below to be featured for a new video. And like always, may goddessness and the elements bless your path, so mote it be. The burp.